Hey everyone, welcome. In this lesson, we are going to learn some useful expressions, Japanese expressions that are necessary when having some language difficulties. Of course, it is impossible to make a video of all the Japanese words and Japanese expressions and vocabulary, but we think that these expressions that we're going to use in this video will definitely help you when you're in a tough situation. All right, so please stay tuned. Oh, by the way, if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so now. We upload videos like this every day. If you're a beginner or if you are interested in Japanese, definitely subscribe. Leave us a like.
わかります。わかります。
Understand may also mean I understand. Of course, the context will determine the meaning.
わかりません。わかりません。
I don't understand.
わかりました。わかりました。
I understood.
話せます。話せます。
I speak.
話せません。話せません。
I don't speak.
日本語。日本語。
Japanese.
英語。英語。
English.
お願いします。お願いします。
Please.
ください。ください。
This also means please.
もう一度。もう一度。
Once more.
ゆっくり。ゆっくり。
Slowly.
ちょっと。ちょっと。
A little.
もっと。もっと。
More. Now let's look at some key phrases.
もう一度。お願いします。もう一度。お願いします。
Once more, please.
もっとゆっくりお願いします。もっとゆっくりお願いします。
More slowly, please. So, of course, you can use this expression when you're talking to a Japanese speaker. And of course, they will speak at the native speed. You can use motto yukkuri onegai shimasu for them to slow down.
ちょっと待ってください。ちょっと待ってください。
Please wait a moment. Of course, this is a review. We've learned this expression before. Now let's look at some key sentences.
英語を話せますか？英語を話せますか？
Do you speak English?
はい、話せます。はい、話せます。
Yes, I do. Yes, I speak English.
いいえ、話せません。いいえ、話せません。
No, I don't. No, I don't speak English.
日本語がわかりません。日本語が わかりません。
I don't understand Japanese.
ちょっとわかります。ちょっとわかります。
I understand a little. That's all for today. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. また今度。